Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word alto. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The alto section of the choir has a beautiful and harmonious sound. Alto refers to the lowest female singing voice or musical part, written for this voice type, typically singing within the range of a tenor and soprano. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.